video of that. It's not too bad. This is the Echo SRM-225. I think it was like $199 or $299 at the Home Depot. My last one was a Troy bilt. So I just want to give you guys a quick video there of it in use. It's only the second time I'm running it. Runs pretty good. Runs like a short girlfriend that's pissed off. Didn't bog at all. Still had plenty of power. I made no adjustments to it. Basically, out of the box. Turn it on. Pump the fuel ball 8 times. Pull the cord a couple times, and so far it's started every time. As of right now, it's been a good buy. I did like that. It's got the self feeder. Just stick the string in there, twist it, load it instead of taking it off, dealing with the springs and all the troublesome you have with loading line on a string trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to finishing up around the garden here. Just wanted to kind of just jumped right in there to that tour review. Thanks for tuning in.